Hello YouTube, this is your boy Ricky British. Now today I'll be fixing my motorbike clutch cable. The clutch cable snapped the other day. So I bought this brand new one from Lewis. It's brand new, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace the new cable. So what I did, I went and I removed this side of the fairing, as you guys can see. So if you guys don't know how to remove the fairing, just check my videos out. And then after removing the fairing on the left side, and the right, after removing the fairing on the right side, so I'm gonna go ahead and to remove the cable. First of all, you need to turn this adjuster thing until you can see there's a slot on it. So the slot need to line up with the slot and the brake lever here. So first, then I'm going to pull the cable out like this and take it from the bottom, bring it around. So basically this is how my cable look. This is my clutch cable. So my clutch cable is just be holding by a few strings. Snap. Luckily I was just leaving the house to go somewhere and I realized the cable snap. Wasn't going neutral, and then after a while the bike was just like running away. So I'm gonna go on the other side. So now the cable is released from the top. I'm gonna pull the cable out. Remove this wire tie straps. Remove the tie straps. I'm just gonna pull the cable out. Don't forget where the cable, the routing of the cable. So underneath here, this is where the clutch is. So we need to adjust. Need to take this off. But first of all, I can snap the cable out. So now the cable is out of the clutch. I just need to release these bolts, slacken these bolts, and then it should fall out. So you're gonna need a 12 socket, a 12 spanner. You need a 12 spanner for the 12 spanner for these nuts. So I'm just gonna slacken this one off, screw it like this, push that forward and it should come out. So now, so you can see I've removed the old clutch cable. I'm gonna check it against the new one. So I check it against the new one, they're the same length. So I'm gonna route the clutch cable back the way I took it. So I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna route it here. It was running here through the handle bar. Here's one clip. I'm gonna put back all clips that was on the old one. I took from the old cable. I'm gonna replace the new. So I'm just gonna undo the bolts, make some space, put it from the back, just pull it in, and then tighten back up this nut. So it's on, and I'm gonna try to catch the clip now. Snap up this inside. So now the cube is back inside at the bottom. So I just need to go at the top and catch the top now. So here's the new cable. So I need to get the cable, get this black thing in first underneath here. So you need to turn it like this, put it in the bottom, snap it in, pull it up, so it's a bit tight here, so I'm going to go on the other side and adjust the 2 bolts that I did before. So try to get it back in again. So I'm going to screw this right in as far as possible. So that is screwed right in as far as possible. Try to follow the channel. And it's down. Now it's finished, it's inside. So I'm just gonna back this off a bit. I'm gonna get a bank card or something, some ID. When you're adjusting the brake, the clutch, you should have at least 2 ID space in between. So I'm going to go on the next side, adjust the next side, then I'll come at the top, then I'll adjust this side. So I'm going to So I have adjust this. This should have at least two card space. So when you pull the brake, there should be two card space here. So like when you pull the clutch, there should be like two space for the two card space before the clutch being moved. So like should have a bit of play. So you have a bit of play before the clutch being selected. So when you do like this, press pull, there should be like two card space in between. Before the clutch been activate. So this been adjusted now. I've adjusted the other side. So they said you should have like two card space like this. So when you press here, there should be two card space here, like two credit card, whatever card, before the brake lever actually start to activate the clutch. So I'm gonna start the bike and see if it works. So I'm Ricky British. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like, please share and subscribe. Remember guys, I'm not a mechanic, I'm not an electrician, I'm just a hobby mechanic, I'm an electrician. So anything you do, watching my video, you do it off your own risk, off your own back. I'm not responsible for anything, any damage, anything happen to you guys. So please, but just like, share and subscribe. Peace.